What do I wish candidates would ask me when they're applying to MIT Sloan? It's tough to say, but I think that the biggest thing is what are we looking for, right? Exactly how can they stand out in the pool? The reality is that we're not looking for something specific. There's not a magic part of the application that's going to make you stand out. It's you that's going to make you stand out. We want to get to know you as an applicant, and you need to showcase that throughout each of the application components, being thoughtful and careful with how you use your examples throughout all of the different cover letters, resumes, videos. We cannot wait to get to know you.
The question is, do you belong at MIT Sloan? The answer is yes, you belong here. There is no one MIT Sloan student that we're looking for. We intentionally create this environment that has people of all different backgrounds, lived experiences that can bring their own perspective to the classroom and to the community. Whoever you are, whatever your background is, you belong here and we can't wait to meet you.
A question I wish applicants would ask more often is which part of the application is often overlooked by candidates? Not only are we looking for evidence of your success through the essay questions, the letters of recommendation, your transcripts, and your resume, but there's also a lot of hidden real estate in the application. There's lots of short answer text box questions in the employment section, in the academic history section, even in the academics and awards section. So make sure you spend a little extra time making sure that all of the things you include in your application complement one another, not just repeat one another.
I want you to know that this is just the beginning of the admissions process. The application provides you an opportunity to really highlight your strengths and experiences and how you might contribute to the Sloan community. The admissions committee will review all applications and invite a selected group of folks to interview with us. In an interview, we have the opportunity to dig deeper into the experiences that you've highlighted in your application. As we get to know you through the application and interview processes, we look forward to learning more about what makes you you, professionally and personally.